One is going and next is here for the load. Tonsa more, tonsa. तौसे वाले हो वीडियो डिठी करो सारियां वैसे ऐसा तौसे तो है नहीं लेकिन माल तौसे का था लोड थी मशीनरी ओ भाई देखी today is 26th October but very hard day, very hard day. I am making the videos for our channel. Please subscribe, like our videos and share with your dears. Thanks for these machinery drivers for allow and permission to make these videos. उतों ਉੱਥਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਦੀਆਂ Excavator is filling the trolley with sand or soil. This is doing for road making. और भाई सीधी गल है सारे पासे रोड आंदा पिया रोड तो जनाब काम थींदा पिया ही और ये भाई लगे खड़े हैं 10 आवड़ियां चलो भाई कंप्लीट सलामी दो यार move. एक आदमी ने कहा अस्सलाम करो तुम अस्सलाम करो he is adjusting itself for the next loading. We are taking some break because our mobile is being hot. Heated. Wow, this is very good job by driver. Okay, we are going to take some break. Please subscribe our channel and like our videos and keep watching our channel. Thank you so much. हाँ जी, no driver is being rest and we also going on rest. Tata, bye bye.